Hello kids, good morning. How are you? I'm going to talk to you about actions. This lesson is for year 2 students and for year 3 students, alright? So today we're going to work on affirmative sentences about actions, okay? What are actions? Well, you know what actions are. For example, an action is jump, 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 jump. Okay, or an action is walk. See, he's walking. Or another action is write. I am writing. I write. I write. Okay. Yes. You see how I write? Perfect. Okay. Another action is watch TV. You see my TV? I already told you that was my TV. Yes? Okay. Or another action could be read. Got a book here to read. Okay. Or finally, I can draw. Okay. But there are many other actions you can do. Yes? Okay. The more important thing to know about actions is that there is something special. Do you see? For example, if I speak about myself, I say, I jump. Or if I speak about you, I say, you jump. But when we speak about one boy, one girl, one animal or thing, okay, I say, he jumps. Okay, if I'm talking about my friend Fede, you know him, okay, I say, he jumps. Jumps, jumps, jumps. Or I can speak about my friend Agnes, okay, and I say, she jumps, jumps, jumps. Do you see the difference? I jump, you jump, he jumps, she jumps. Okay, so what is important about this? Well, we can say that when we speak about one boy, one girl, or one animal or thing, that they are not here and it's only one person we're talking about, okay, we have to add to the action an S at the end, okay? We've got here three examples. Jump turns into he jumps, or he reads, or he walks, okay? Remember, we do add the letter S to the action when we speak about he, she, or it. Yes? Okay, so for example, I'm going to do some examples with all these actions, okay? So if I talk about Fede, Fede jumps, he jumps. Or if I speak about Agnes, I say she walks. Or if I speak about my friend, the rubbish, the monster rubbish, you see him, okay? You see it, okay? I can say that the monster rubbish reads, okay? Perfect. Or I can say as well that my friend Agnes watches the TV. All right? We got her watching the TV. So she watches the TV. Or we can say that Fede draws. Okay, if we've got Fede and we've got a pencil and he draws on the board, all right, we're saying all these actions adding the letter S to the action. Yes? Okay, so all this happens when they are affirmative sentences. Okay? So now I want you to come here to have a look at the worksheet you must work on. Okay? We've got it here, and you see it says present simple affirmatives. Affirmatives are sentences which are true. They are affirmative. They happen. Okay? We've got here one flower and another flower. Remember, with the subjects he, she, or it, we add the letter S or the letter ES to the action, to the verb. All right? And with the subjects I, you, we, and they, the verb stays the same. We don't add S to this verb. So here you've got the exercise where it says, complete these sentences with the verb. Add S or ES when necessary. So she, he, and it, she, he, and it, this dog, okay? We add S or ES. Yes? Okay, so with all this information, I think that now you can do your homework. Okay? Yes? Okay, bye bye. See you soon. Bye bye.